Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a starter in a Hyundai Accent. Before you begin, gather your essential tools such as a 13mm wrench, a 10mm socket, and a jack. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal first. Then, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands before working underneath. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, you'll need to locate the starter motor, which is usually found on the driver's side, mounted to the transmission bell housing. Once you've identified it, carefully disconnect the main power cable and the smaller solenoid wire. These are typically secured with a 10mm or 12mm nut. After the electrical connections are free, proceed to remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the starter in position. With all connections and bolts removed, gently maneuver the old starter motor out of its confined space. Before installing the new unit, take a moment to clean the mounting surface on the transmission to ensure a proper fit. Now, carefully position the new starter into place, aligning it with the bolt holes. Reinstall the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, tightening them securely, and then reattach the electrical connections, ensuring they are snug. Finally, double-check all your connections to ensure everything is tight and secure. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, making sure it's firmly attached. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Attempt to start your Hyundai Accent. If the engine cranks and starts smoothly, you've successfully replaced your starter. Carefully lower your vehicle from the jack stands and remove all tools from the work area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.